With Giftship, product options let you collect information from a customer right when they add to cart. Drag and drop blocks onto any product page in Shopify. Perfect for product upsells and bundles, gift messages, delivery date pickers, and more. We have a block for everything. Let's walk through how it works. Head to the Giftship dashboard and click Product Options. This is where all your product option sets live, and you can create unlimited sets, each with full control over which products it displays on. Since this store is new, there aren't any yet. Let's start by clicking New Option Set. Think of an option set as a blank canvas. The Blocks tab is where you drag and drop blocks, and the Settings tab is where you enable the set and control which products it applies to. Let's start with Settings. First, rename the option set to something memorable. Then, check the Enable this option set box. Now configure which products this option set displays on. You can display the set on all products, on a select number of individual products, or on products within a particular collection. We recommend this method the most. When you add new products to your Shopify store, you won't need to manually update the option set's display rules. With Display Rules set, head back to the Blocks tab. Here, you have 20 different blocks to choose from at the time of this video, and we're always adding more. Each block is fully customizable, and you can show or hide blocks based on information selected in other blocks. Add unlimited blocks to any option set and drag and drop to reorder them. Let's start by clicking Add Block. For this demo, let's add a simple text area block to cover the basics of editing one. We have dedicated videos for every block. This just covers the general concept. Now that the block's been added, click on it to configure it. Configurable options are different for every block type, but the concept stays the same. 2 primary tabs, Block Options and Display Rules. Let's start configuring the block options. We'll save Display Rules for another video. First, define the input name. This is the most important part of configuring a block. Name it after the information you're collecting and avoid changing it later. This is what shows up in the order data. The customer never sees it. We recommend keeping it lowercase and simple. You'll also reference the input name when printing the information, adding it to order confirmation templates, or creating automatic order tags. Add a label. This displays to the customer as a heading above the text area block, and placeholder text, which appears in the field itself as a call to action. You can also add optional help text below the field for more direction, and set a character limit to keep responses short and sweet. You can also mark the field as required. This prevents customers from adding to cart without entering information in the text area. When your option set is complete, save it at the top of the page. Now, when you visit Product Options from the Giftship dashboard, you'll see a list of all your option sets. Hover over one to duplicate it. And you can reorder the option sets by dragging and dropping. This changes the order they appear in on your storefront. Information collected through Product Options populates the line item properties on the Shopify order. And that's it. Drag, drop, and configure as many product option sets as you need, with full control over every product they display on. Giftship. Everything your Shopify store needs for gifting. One app, one subscription.